Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm at Rose Cottage showing you just how easy it is to cook Hot Pockets from frozen in the air fryer. I'll even show you how I do them a quicker way. We've also got a recipe on RecipeThis.com for this, and you're just going to absolutely love how delicious they are in the air fryer. And for brands, I'm using Goodfellas. Hot Pockets aren't really a big thing in the UK compared to what they are in other countries, so this is the best brand I can actually get of them. So you might have another favourite. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. And then we've got the typical pack of two. I recommend some scissors to get into them. And then just got the papers to hold them in. And then you're left with your two gorgeous looking pizza pockets. Just looking to see which ones we've got. We've got the triple cheese. Oh wow, triple cheese. That does sound good. Good job, it's just me and Dominic here, and that means we get one each. And then once you're ready, place them into the air fryer basket. The air fryer that we're using is the Philips Air Fryer XL, and it perfectly fits to frozen Hot Pockets in it. So then, once you're ready to go, load it into the air fryer unit, and you want to turn it on, ready for setting at the time and temp. I recommend starting with a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and setting the cook time to 12 minutes. Then we can check on them and see how much longer they need. And we've beat. So now, when the air fryer shuts off, of course, the Hot Pockets have done 12 minutes. So you can see what they look like now. They're well on the way to being cooked. I recommend turning them over. And then you want to put them back in just so that they can cook thoroughly through, because we've done it at a lower temperature because they're quite bigger than some of the other frozen foods. So you want to make sure that they're getting cooked in the middle and they're defrosting properly. So now I recommend putting the temperature up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and setting the cook time to 5 minutes. Then we can do a final check on them and see if they need any longer. And we're beeping. Oh wow. Perfectly cooked pizza pockets in the air fryer. They're absolutely amazing in there. You can do it with any flavour you want. We had another brand of them and they were burger flavour, and they were absolutely delicious, and the kids loved those too. And if you search for Hot Pockets on RecipeThis.com, you'll be able to find that particular recipe on there. So I've left them a minute or two to cool down because otherwise I'm going to burn my tongue and my fingers. So as you can see, that's what they look like. They've got a bit of colour to them, but that's also how long I've left them in the air fryer for, because I like them really crispy. If you want them a little less colour to them, then knock down a couple of minutes, or do that final cook on 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit instead of 200. This is really good stuff. You know, up until someone asking me for frozen pizza pockets in the air fryer, I'd never actually heard of them before, but I wish these had been around in my childhood. I would have had them all the time if they had. Oh wow. They're so good. Just take a look at all that lovely cheese. And that look absolutely gorgeous. And it's just brilliant for something quick in the air fryer. And of course your kids will love this for tea. It's perfect for date night. It's just perfect for something quick when you're in a rush. Or a way to learn how to use the air fryer more and become more confident with it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.